earliest to start your preparation thoroughly for the examination. Let us take up the next one under building materials and construction. This is a matching question. There is list 1 and list 2 and you have to match the details in it. Brick, arch, lintel, cavity have to be matched with dampness prevention, bevel closure, openings and span. One thing which is very clear, very simple in it is arch should be associated with span. What is span of an arch? In arch geometry there are two important terms. Arch is basically a curvilinear structural element in construction. The overall clear say width it covers over, that is called a span, and the vertical height to which it rises, that's called as rise of an arch. So rise and span are terms associated with an arch, and the correct answer for arch would be for sure span. So for B, you can answer such matching questions even if you know one actually. You can try to eliminate the other options. So one thing we are sure of till now is for B it should be 4. For B4 you have only one option actually. So you can right away, even if you know one, even if you know the arches for span, just has to be paired with span, you'll get the marks already by selecting 4. Let us discuss briefly the other cases as well. Brick is so with respect to brick you have bevel closer. Bevel closer is a type of cut brick. So when you use a full brick in construction, you cannot always use a full brick only in the overall construction of a wall. Sometimes you might need to break it into half, sometimes you need to cut it into two pieces at an angle. So bevel closer is one of the type of a cut brick where one of its edge is cut off. So that's a cut brick, so that's related to brick. Then you have lintel. Lintel is a structural element, smaller version of a beam basically. In construction buildings, horizontal structural elements are called as beams. Lintel is a horizontal structural element generally provided on top of windows, doors or openings. So lintel is associated with openings basically. Lintel is constructed, so basically if you construct a window or a door, you cannot place bricks on top of an opening. You cannot construct a wall directly on an opening. How will they be supported? To support those bricks you lay a lintel on the top. So lintel is that structural element which is laid above the openings to take the load of the wall on top of it if there is any wall on the window or a door. So the answer for it will be openings. And cavity wall has an opening in the center. It has a hollow cavity in it, and dampness prevention is an important aspect related to cavity walls. You don't want water to seep into the cavity wall, so dampness prevention